I'm a cleaning robot, baby, the latest product of Seebest technology. Usually, people call me Smart Sweeper, and I like the name. The high-sensitive sensing devices are my eyes to detect stairs and other blocks in jam. Nothing like jumping or falling have ever happened to me. The most important thing is that I will never hurt children, pets to damage to my master's beloved furniture. I'm only 8.7 cm in height, which allows me to crawl under the bed, sofa, table, etc. My feet is adjustable, adapting to the ground shapes, while walking cooperatively with a suspenseful rolling brush. Number 1 sweeping, number 2 rolling up, number 3 inhaling, number 4 scraping, number 5 whipping. These 5 modes are simultaneously geared up for deep cleaning. I can also intelligently switch among 6 routes, which is industry-leading technology. Everywhere in the house, even the corner of walls, can be easily cleaned up by me. The separable dustbin not only make clearing dirt easier, but also prevent secondary pollution. The technology of infrared rainwater wall can set the unwanted place as forbidden zone, so that I will not enter it, and it makes running away from home impossible. My abdomen glows with blue light, the scientific name of which is called Cold Cat Hold UV Jump Shadow Lab. This health guard takes good care of my family. When it's turned on, I will walk past everywhere with no bacteria left behind. I'm easy to handle, even though I have so many powerful functions. My master only needs to set the cleaning area and jump by touching the screen or remote control. When my master is at work, I will take on everything. When my battery power is less than 20%, I can go back to charging station all by myself. After fully charged, I will continue to walk. My master will see a neat and comfortable home when he or she comes back from work. Seebest brightens your life.